always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
I'm ready, Mr. Goose. Here we go. Today's special number is 7. Okay, Hedgehog, show me the card with the number 7 on it. I bet I can find it. Oh, there it is. Now let's flip the card over and count how many ducks there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many in all?
7. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? 7 silly duck sounds! Quack, quack, quack! Quack, quack, quack! Quack! Let's pretend to be ducks!
Today's number is 7. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 7. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 7 times. Clap 7 times. Nod 7 times. Point 7 times. March 7 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Let's count wiggle bugs together. 7. There are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many wiggle bugs in all? 7. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
Let's count together.
7.
There are 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
7.
How many apples in all?
7.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called I Can Dress Myself. When Mommy isn't awake yet, this little girl decides to do things on her own. Let's begin. I Can Dress Myself. Story by Bridget Crone, words by Aaron Leonard, illustrated by Heidel Dedekind. It's morning. Time to get up. Looks like Mommy is still asleep. That's okay. I can dress myself. I'll need this. Oh, and these. Now, where are those? Next, I'll get these off and this on. Mommy, Mommy, look at me. I got dressed all by myself. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called 5 Little Speckled Frogs.
Frogs? Oh, like you, Mr. Frog!
That's right. Today, you can all pretend to be frogs.
Yay!
I'll sing the first part, and then you sing along with me. How many frogs did I say there were?
5!
Good listening. Here we go. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Now I want you to all sing along with me. I want to hear you sing too. How many frogs are there now?
4!
4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. How many?
3!
3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. How many?
2!
2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. How many?
1.
One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Well done!
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. And thank you, too.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Fox. What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Oh, patterns? Goody! What are patterns? They're designs that repeat. Look! Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle. What comes next? I'm not sure. A rectangle. Let's say the names of the shapes together. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Triangle, rectangle. Right. Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure. Let's make another pattern with these same shapes. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle. What comes next? Triangle. You got it. Let's say it together. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. What's the pattern? Rectangle, triangle, triangle. That's it. Oh, can I make a pattern? Sure. My pattern is going to use shapes and colors. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle. Do you know what comes next? A white triangle. That's it! All together! Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Do you want to make another pattern? No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern! Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends. See you later, too. Let's look for triangles. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Let's have a pattern party!
Yeah!
Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Apple, banana. Apple, banana. Apple, banana. Apple, banana. Apple, banana. Apple, banana. Yeah! You did it! Come on, Pig. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Apple, banana, banana. Apple, banana, banana.
Apple, banana, banana. Apple, banana, banana.
Keep going.
Apple, banana, banana. Apple, banana, banana. Yeah! Hedgehog and I are doing one together. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When we say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Banana, banana, belly button. Banana, banana, belly button. Banana, banana, belly button. Banana, banana, belly button. Two more. Banana, banana, belly button. Banana, banana, belly button. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. Yeah! And that's how you have a pattern party.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. La la lullaby. Hush, my babe, and do not cry. In your cradle now you swing. Until you sleep I'll softly sing. La la lullaby. La la lullaby. Hush, my babe, and do not cry. In your cradle now you swing. Until you sleep I'll softly sing.